In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit multiple tasks at once in Asana. By the end, you'll know how to quickly select a group of tasks and move them together, which is a huge time saver when you're reorganizing your work. First, open Asana and head to your home page. This is the central dashboard you see after signing in, and it gives you quick access to everything you're working on. If you're already somewhere else in Asana, use the left sidebar to navigate back to home. So we're starting from a familiar place. Make sure you're in the correct workspace or organization at the top of your screen so you're looking at the right tasks. Next, in the left sidebar, click My Tasks. This view gathers all tasks assigned to you in one place, which makes bulk actions straightforward. For the smoothest experience, use the list view since it lays tasks out in an easy-to-scan column. If your list is long, you can collapse sections you don't need right now so you can clearly see the tasks you want to edit together. Now, let's select multiple tasks. Click once on the first task you want to include. Then, hold down the Shift key on your keyboard and click the last task in the range. Everything between those two clicks becomes selected at the same time. You'll notice the selected tasks are highlighted and a small toolbar or count may appear to confirm the selection. If you click the wrong item, click anywhere empty to clear the selection and try again. Shift select works best for a continuous range, so line up the tasks you want to move before you select. With your task selected, look for the 6-dot handle next to any one of those tasks. That's the drag handle. Click and hold the handle and start dragging. Because multiple tasks are selected, you're moving the entire group together. As you drag, you'll see a visual indicator showing where the tasks will land. Drop them into a new position in the list or into a different section to instantly reorganize. If your list is sorted by something like due date or assignee, dragging may snap tasks back into place. In that case, set sorting to none so you can freely reorder, then drag and drop again. If you make a mistake, use the undo prompt or your keyboard's undo shortcut to revert the move. That's it. You've learned how to navigate to My Tasks, select a range of tasks with Shift, and use the 6-dot handle to move them all at once. Practice this a few times and you'll clean up your task list in seconds.